Okay, so good morning. It is not January. We're not in January anymore. It is February the 2nd. It is currently 7:08 a.m. And Xavier and I are going to be driving to Boulder today. I'm just going to put on my makeup really quick and then I will pick up where I left off with the video. So I just need to put on my highlight and magnetic lashes and then I'll be all done. I'll see you guys right after that. Okay guys, so the lashes are on, but Xavier and I are about to head on out the door. We're going to stop at Dutch Brothers, hopefully on our way, you know, that way north, and we will catch up with you in the... Xavier, yeah. So what's your favorite memory of us growing up?
My favorite memory?
Yeah.
There's a lot of
right?
I think
you gotta like pinpoint like at least two, just two, and then we'll talk.
I think just like us growing up in the backyard, just having fun there. We used
with
to
the
go
slip and slides and stuff.
Yeah, I remember the slip and slide. I remember the day that we went on the slip and slide, and I remember like the trampoline. I remember us going on the trampoline.
Yeah.
And just always jumping around. I think that was always pretty fun. And we would invite our cousins over, and we'd always like in the summertime we'd wet up the trampoline, and it would like I don't know, it would just be fun.
Yeah. You want to know mine?
What?
Remember when we would take that little tiny mattress and we would go sliding down the stairs?
Oh yeah,
kind of like Princess Diaries too, you know how they like took those mattresses and with the slides, where we would straight up just go down the stairs.
Yeah, I remember that. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I know. I was just like, that is my favorite memory, honestly. Mm-hmm. It's crazy how we get along so well when like we're alone, you know? We were just talking about this last night too.
I think it's you, but
oh, yes, it's all my fault. Just blame it on me.
No, but like, no, really, like, I don't know what it is.
It's just a vibe. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Well, maybe I need to disconnect mine. But anyway, tell everybody where we're going. I already said this morning. So I was getting ready.
We are going to Boulder, Colorado. It's kind of like a road trip. It's about a 3-hour drive, depending on how fast we go.
And how much traffic there is, and the road work, and stuff like that.
Yeah, all that jazz. And we're just going to go visit the town. And we're probably on the way shop at like a mall. I need some American Eagle jeans.
Tell them why we're going.
Oh, we're going because I didn't want to brag, but...
Don't mean to brag, but...
I was thinking about going to Boulder, CU Boulder for college. I wanted to check out the town because I've only been to the college and I never really checked out the town. And I thought if I'm going to be there for 4 years, I might as well get a sense of like what it's like and what it's all about. So yeah, I think that's why we're going, and it's kind of just some sibling time, sort of.
Yeah. Like growing up, we weren't that close, and then like as we've gotten older, we've gotten closer, you know?
Yeah, I feel like that's how it is with a lot of siblings.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy though?
Yeah.
And then like back then, I was like, oh, he's 4 years younger than me. Like, psh, no, he's way too little. And now you're just like, oh, he's cool.
Yeah, I'm mature. That's how I used to think about, I never thought you was that much older than me.
I always thought of you as really, like, a lot younger than me sometimes.
I always thought, like, 4 years wasn't that much, but with, like, younger people, like our cousins, like, they seem really young. And, like, when we get older...
Yeah, they don't seem that young.
Yeah, they're not going to be that young.
So I'm like, geez, can you imagine how we're going to feel about in a few years? I'm going to, like, bleep out their names and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, because he's so tiny and little. Well, he's not, for his age, he's big, so that's crazy.
We have a cousin on our dad's side of the family He's I'm not gonna name his name, but he's really tall for his age.
He's a giant. Jeez.
He's huge. And
I'm like a midget compared to so many of them.
Yeah, like all his other classmates are like up to his shoulder almost, or not even.
Not
He's
even.
huge.
Like,
Yeah.
did you see the picture she posted of him at the basketball game? And she's like, "That's mine. Like,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
my son." And he's like towering over all the other kids. It was insane.
I know he's gonna be
Like,
taller than me.
jeez.
I mean,
I'll bleep his name out. It's
he's
cool.
he's like 6 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm 5'3", so it's like I look way up to them. It's like, jeez.
Yeah.
And then whenever I call you my little brother, people are all little. I'm just like, you know what I mean. He's younger. He's taller than me. It don't matter. He's still my little brother. Like, you know, he's our brother when he's not even our actual brother, but he's still brother.
Yeah, he is.
You know? Yeah.
I hope I get to be as tall as him because I'm still growing. I'm still growing.
Yeah. No, you and I have looked up to him our whole lives. We've always seen him that way, you know?
Yeah.
Always. You know, I don't think I'll ever stop, you know, referring to him as brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
So,
I'm gonna disconnect your phone.
okay. Wait, no, not my phone.
Whose phone?
Here, let me just,
Oh yeah.
here. Okay, so literally, on it was either Monday or Wednesday. It was one of the days I was going to school, like commuting and everything. I hear Mom and Dad on the radio.
What?
Yeah, I can't believe I didn't tell you. Just this past week, I hear them on the radio because I called Mom and I tell her to call this one number, and she does, and they're to win Country Jam tickets.
And they're going to?
No, they did. They were on they didn't win the tickets. They were like the second caller, and the caller after them answered all the questions right.
Oh, man.
But they were on the radio and I was listening to them. I was like legit crying, dude, because I'm like, oh my god, they're doing that for me.
Oh,
You know, I was just like, oh my god. So they kind of like tag teamed it, I guess. So because Mom called in and they were asking questions about football because of the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Mom legit goes into the bathroom and asks Dad to get on the phone. And I hear them. They got like 2 questions right. They asked who Tom Brady's wife's first name is, and of course it's like Giselle Bundchen.
Oh, I thought it was like Ivanka or something like that. That's
No,
like
they-
Ivanka Trump.
Oh, okay. And then they asked who sang The Boys of Fall. And you and I love that song. Kenny Chesney, they didn't get it. They asked which country star almost made it into the NFL. And it was Sam Hunt. And they didn't get that either. Dad said Burt Reynolds. But it was for like 2 4-day passes. General admission to Country Jam this year. And Miranda Lambert's going to be there. Florida Georgia Line's going to be there. So I was like, oh, they're so sweet doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So we have just arrived at Dutch Brothers. I'm so excited. How about you?
I'm very excited.
Okay, cool.
I want to get my hot chocolate.
Okay, so we completely forgot to say what we got at Dutch Brothers. We've been on the road for what, like 20 minutes? 20 minutes, a half hour?
Yeah, about 20
Half
minutes.
hour.
That's right.
Okay, so Xavier, you can go first.
So it's all gone now, but I got a hot chocolate from Dutch Bros. And you see here on the top, they have like these little sayings. You know, this one says Dutch love. It's probably backwards though.
Like much love for Valentine's Day. Yeah, it has February 14th on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And every time we go there, it's like.
It is so nice there. The people are so nice.
Yeah, they're really cool, and they're like college age students, and
they're always blasting music too. It's so great.
That's really awesome. And every car is like, the cars are always backed up to like the street every time we go, so it's like really cool.
Yeah. No, it's way better than Starbucks. Honestly,
Yeah, it is.
it's so nice. So I normally get an iced chai tea latte, but because it's like, it's winter, I got it hot, and we both got mediums, I think. Did we both get mediums?
Yeah, I got a medium.
Okay, I got a medium too.
But yeah, we've
been talking about podcasts.
Yeah, we listened to this one cool podcast with Joe Rogan, and we've just been jamming out to music.
Yeah.
Really good music. Oldies but goodies. There's a song on right now. Landslide by Fleetwood Mac.
Oh,
Such a
yeah.
good song. So
I
good.
love that song.
I don't know word for word. We'll play that.
Let's play that song and sing it. It's such a good song. I love Stevie.
This is the only song I know from her.
Really? Oh my gosh, no, my favorite song by her is Rhiannon. Yeah, I can't believe that's the only song you know by her. That is so sad. Do you know the song Chain? But if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. You will never break the chain.
Oh yeah.
You don't know that song? Okay, yeah, that's her too.
Yeah.
Love that song. And then the Seven Wonders on what is it? American Horror Story. The Coven one. She sings on that one too. Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So, they're not closing our YouTube. Okay, anyway. Our family's a big fan of the Denver Broncos because we live in Colorado. And Sports Authority, as you guys know, it's closed down. And it was pretty hard to believe. And then the Broncos Stadium is sponsored by Sports Authority. So, like, they couldn't name it Sports Authority Field anymore at Mile High. So, Ford decided they would partner up with the Broncos. So, Ford is now sponsoring the Broncos. Yeah. And we were talking about how I was telling my dad that they were going to be the official sponsor. And I said, well, maybe maybe they'll put it on the stadium. Like,
they just did. I saw their logo on the stadium.
Oh, it is?
You didn't see that?
No, I didn't see it.
Dude, we just passed Mile High.
But it's Ford. Apparently, it's probably going to be like Ford Stadium at Mile High or something like that.
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, it does. And my dad's a real big fan of the Broncos, and he loves Ford trucks. And he kept on saying it like over and over.
Grew up around the Broncos and Ford trucks.
Yeah, we did.
And Fords.
And my dad kept saying it. He was like, Ford Stadium at Mile High. And he kept on repeating. And he asked me, he's like, Ford Stadium is going to be called that, huh? And I was like, I guess so, Dad.
Like, yeah.
And yeah, it was just funny.
Yeah.
And she could hear us like
I was in the other room and I heard them say it 5 times.
Yeah, and he kept on repeating himself, and he was just like, Ford Stadium, Mile High. Just so he could get used to it. Just so he could get used to it. That was funny.
He likes it.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Yeah. So who's your favorite Bronco player?
I don't know. Von Miller.
I know, tell me about when you met him. Say when. No, that was
I met No Sean
DT.
Moreno.
You met DT, Demarius Thomas, didn't you?
Oh, I met Derek Wolf. Yeah, I met Derek Wolf.
No, the one that you got the signature from in your book. I got you that book, remember?
Oh, I met Terrell Davis, yeah.
Yeah, it was Terrell Davis. Oh,
he's a Hall of
Terrell.
Famer. Yeah, and it's an autobiography of Terrell Davis. And he wrote it in 1998 before he got his injury.
Yeah.
And he was talking about his journey to the NFL. And he signed my book, and he said he wasn't going to do any autographs that night.
Yeah.
And then I asked him, I had the book in my pocket the whole time. And I said, hey, could you please
sign your book?
Sign this? Yeah, could you please sign my book? And he saw it. He said later, he said he was surprised
that you read it.
Yeah, anybody still had it. So he signed it, and it was paperback, and it was real old.
Yeah.
So he signed it.
That is so cool. So we're taking the exit to Boulder.
Is it?
Yeah. Where? Dang. What you got? Show me what you got.
I got it.
Okay, you guys, so we ended up finding a Lush store, but I decided not to film inside because it was way too crowded. There's going to be a Lush haul in an upcoming video. Xavier, why don't you tell them like the game plan now, because it's like changed
So
a lot.
we were at Boulder. We visited the mall, like the
Pearl Street Mall.
Pearl Street Mall. It was a really nice mall. It was really cool. I wanted to check out the reservoir, maybe, or maybe like a really good view, like up west. But I don't think we have enough time for all that to find all those places. So we decided to driving into Fort Collins right now, and it's about another half hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So we will update you guys when we get there. Hey, so I just wanted to update you guys. Xavier is semi-sleeping, I think. And the mountain view is just really nice. I want to show you real quick. Hey guys, so if you can't already tell, Xavier and I came home from our little adventure to Boulder today. We even went over to Fort Collins, but the camera died, so I'm currently using my iPhone. I'm so sorry about that. But yes, as you saw from the video, we went to Lush, and I am so excited about that. Like, oh my gosh. I'm probably going to be doing a Lush haul for you guys. And I managed to snag only two of their Valentine's Day collection items. So that will be in the video as well. And I hope you enjoyed coming along with Xavier and I today on our little outing. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!